I'd wish to welcome us to the AFROHUN 4th International One Health Conference. And the theme of this conference is the role of regional One Health university networks in advancing global health security, developing workforces, and fighting antimicrobial resistance in the era of climate change.
Thank you for choosing to spend these 3 days with us. We hope you enjoyed this conference as much as we enjoyed putting it together.
What we are unveiling is a child that has transformed from being a child to a young woman over the last 15, and we are crossing to 16 years.
The journey was based on an even earlier journey that was focusing largely on how to build stronger university networks, specifically dealing with public health issues.
Ladies and gentlemen, join me in welcoming Professor Osterhaus, the AFROHUN 4th International One Health Conference keynote speaker.
So we're all sitting back now, so COVID is over, yeah? And we're spending some money. But the next pandemic may be even more devastating. If you look at previous pandemics, if you look at the Spanish flu, yeah, then the Spanish flu, if you compare it to COVID, then COVID is a wimp, yeah? So basically, I think we have to be prepared. We have the means to do it today. We have new technologies. We have the knowledge to do it.
This theme was chosen carefully so that when we live here, we have something to resonate with us, with how we teach, how we learn, and how we do our research.
Please make great use of these spaces. Reach out to the people that are new to you and endeavor to live with a growth in your network and a partnership portfolio.
This has turned into a really enriching partnership. We've heard a lot about families, friendships, relationships, and it does feel like that. We've had a lot of deep discussions about how to move on, and I think what I would like to add is another small challenge. While we're celebrating, and particularly the launch of the Academy, huge congratulations for that, let us also test ourselves to learn from the things that didn't go quite so well and the things that we could do better next time.
We must think globally, act locally, and that's exactly what we're all doing here. Our work over the next 2 days will help better inform how we break down silos and work together through locally led solutions. We also have a number of students here with us today. I hope that you are able to learn, share, and create new networks during this conference. The future is in your hands, and we look to your leadership.
A great deal of progress remains to be made in human resources, as demonstrated by our experience with COVID, where human resources and healthcare worker capacity was uneven at best and dismal at worst. AFROHUN, as one of USAID's key implementing partners in the region for achieving progress in the Human Resources Action Package, will be increasingly asked to engage directly with missions and local and national governments to support the Human Resources Action Package, and I believe they are ready.
We are ready to continue exploring our showcase. We're going to have AFROHUN posters displayed on monitors as part of the gallery walk, mainly over in the room to the left here. And the CUHUN posters are mainly in the room in the back. So please feel free to browse amongst both of them during the break.
there was a need to build a competency within Africa to meet this challenge, but there were not the skills available. And as we thought about how do we achieve those skills, it was clear universities in Africa were the engine to create that generational leadership.
The approach that is being taken by AFROHUN is the best because now the citizens, the youth, the people in the community are getting it from their own. And this is something that will advance acceptability, and it will make the message get to the deeper communities.
A lot is not yet done because we must recruit as many in the movement. We must sensitize our communities. We still have those pockets of resistance in the different ministries, but we will reach there.
I want to ask you to give one more round of applause for the AFROHUN for a well-organized event. The AFROHUN conference has truly been global while maintaining its continental origins.
As partners in One Health, this is just the start of many collaboration and opportunities. Let us keep this conversation flowing. And today is about thanking ourselves for being good speakers and a good audience. You have come to the end of our conference. Then I wish each one of us safe travel back home and happy lives. Thank you so much.